Okay, for those of you who have been wondering about Daisy, like myself, we just passed where we let Daisy off in the water right there. She's walking down the water. We're going down the street. It's just a small creek. So she's not going to go far with all those babies because it goes out in the open water. So she wouldn't do that. So I came right here and knocked on the door one day and asked them had they seen Daisy. And they said they had. And they just called me and said they're at the house now. So we're going right now to check on Daisy. You ready? Let's do it. Here we go. Look here, we got Daisy and the babies right here. Look at these little babies. Hey, Daisy, Daisy. You know me, Daisy. She's telling them to get back. Daisy. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. There's Daisy right there. She's calling her babies back. As y'all know, we had 11 to start with. Unfortunately, it looks like there's only 4 left. But that's nature right there. You got 4 nice, healthy ones, it looks like there. Look at that. That is very cool right there. This is the creek that they started off in right here. And they came up from right down there. The owner of the house here, confirmed to me she started seeing Daisy the day after she walked them down to the water and has been watching them every day. They come up in her yard every day. And they got like a routine down there and they stay there. And actually says they sleep in her yard at night. And then in the morning they get up, eat a little bit, and take off and end back up at her house the next morning. So that's pretty cool right there. All right, there we go. We got Daisy on film here. Sitting down there with 4 babies down there right there. Look at that. I'm glad they survived. At least we got some better than last year. They only had 2 to start with last year, and I don't know what ended up last year, but this year started with 11 and now has 4. And they're getting pretty big, so hopefully they'll survive here a little bit longer. They're all cuddled up there, and Daisy's keeping an eye on them. All right, Daisy got out in the water. I think she's calling her babies to come get in the water. Just sitting up here right now on the land. Yeah, I'm not sure if they really want to get in the water right now. Let's see if we can zoom in just a little bit here. There they are right there. So glad to see them. At least got some healthy babies there, that's for sure. They're thinking about it. They're going to jump in that water in just a minute. Daisy's out here right there waiting on them. All right, there they go. They're getting ready to jump in. They're working their way down. There they go. And they're going down. They've grown a lot since we saw them last time, haven't they? All right, they made it to the water. Going down to Mama. Well, it's good to see Daisy down here, and I'm going to show you a few more things right now, some little bit of nature down here, so check this out right here. All right, I got a feeling this might be where a few of our babies went right here. If you look real close, that's about a 3-foot-long snapping turtle. Got his head above the water right there. The owner says he makes his way up and down that creek there about every day, and you never know what he might pick up off the surface there. Hate to see it, but I know he's got to eat. Alright, I hope y'all enjoyed all that little nature scenery and all there. It's pretty cool. I actually add a little bit more at the end of this video and let y'all just sit back, relax, and enjoy the nature. Appreciate everybody coming along. Don't forget to click like, comment below, share, subscribe to Gigmaster. You never know where we're going next.